Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm diving into the brand new Xiaomi Mix Flip, the latest clamshell folding smartphone from Xiaomi that just launched globally. This phone initially made its debut in China back in July, but now it's hitting select global markets. Let's break down everything you need to know about this impressive device. First off, let's talk about the display. The Mix Flip features a 6.86-inch 1.5K TCL C8 plus LTPO primary display with UTG glass protection. On the outside, you get a 4-inch cover display, one of the biggest in the market. Both displays boast a 120Hz refresh rate, 3000 nits peak brightness, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. So you're getting a vibrant and smooth experience whether the phone is open or closed. Under the hood, the Mix Flip is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. This is a flagship chipset from last year, and it's also found in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, this phone is built to handle anything you throw at it. Now, battery life is crucial, especially for a foldable. The Mix Flip packs a 4780 mAh battery with 67W fast charging support. Unfortunately, there's no wireless charging, but with such fast wired charging, that might not be a deal breaker for many. Let's move on to the cameras. The Mix Flip sports a 50MP primary camera with OIS and a 50MP telephoto sensor, both located on the cover display. For selfies, you have a 32MP camera on the primary display. Whether you're taking photos or videos, this setup promises top-notch quality. On the software side, the Mix Flip runs Android 14-based HyperOS out of the box. This ensures you're getting the latest features and updates right away. Now, let's talk about availability and pricing. The Xiaomi Mix Flip is priced at €1299, which is roughly Rs 21,000 for the single 12GB plus 256GB variant. It's currently available for purchase in Europe, but there's no word yet on availability for other markets, including India. You can pick it up in either black or purple. So, there you have it. The Xiaomi Mix Flip is a new and exciting addition to the foldable smartphone market. With its powerful specs, impressive displays, and robust camera setup, it's definitely a device to keep an eye on. If you're in Europe, you're in luck. You can get your hands on it right now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.